Hello, everyone. Welcome to How to Request a Book from the Library. Requesting books from the library is simple and fast, and in this video, we'll show you how. Before you begin your search, make sure that you are logged into your library account. You'll know that you're logged in when you see your name in the upper right-hand corner. If you need instructions for logging in, please view our tutorial for using your University of Akron credentials to log in to your library account. First, let's filter our search to books by clicking on the Books button under the search bar. And since we'll request a book from the search results, I am going to filter our search to the library catalog from the drop-down menu found on the right side of the search bar. You'll also notice that when you begin your search, a drop-down menu will also appear for you to choose to filter results to library catalog. We've started a search for the book Tar Beach by author and artist Faith Ringgold. Here we have the results of our search. We found the book that we need. Now let's click on the title of the book to open up the record view. In this window, the record view, scroll down until you find the request section and click on the link that says request. A new box will appear with more options. The first drop-down box indicates where you will pick the item up. Let's choose Bierce Library. Books requested through this system will be set aside at the library's service desk on the first floor. You do also have the option of selecting the Law Library or Wayne Library if you prefer. Next, under Terms of Use, select the 150-day loan. And you may want to also choose a not needed after date, which simply tells us how long we should hold the request open before closing it. Finally, remember to hit the Send Request button. Congratulations, you've requested a book. When the book is received from the collection, you will be notified and able to pick the book up at your chosen location.